So for this project, I created these custom PCBs and ordered them from PCB company, which are also the sponsor of this video. More about them later. So the components required for this project are So after collecting all the components, let's start assembling and soldering. So this is how our PCB looks like after completing. Now just place your Arduino Pro Mini on its place. I have already programmed it using the USB to serial converter. Now place the HC05 Bluetooth module. Now connect your load which you want to control. Here I am using the same application which we have used in our last project. Now connect 5 volts. Now before testing, let's talk about the sponsor of our video. So they provide custom PCBs of 2 layer only at $5. For instant quotation, add the dimensions, select the quantity and layer and click quote now. They also provide flex PCB, flex rigid PCBs as well. If you are ordering for the first time, you will get $5 free coupon. So do visit their website, the link is given in the description of this video. Now select HC05 and then select switch mode. So our project is working as expected. You can also use this project as shield for Arduino Uno, Arduino Leonardo or Arduino Mega as well. That's it for today guys. I hope you have learned something new. If yes, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, you can follow us on Instagram as well. The links are given in the description of this video.